This is how to share live location on WhatsApp. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your WhatsApp account. Once I logged into my WhatsApp account, now here I'm gonna select the contact to whom I want to share my live location. After selecting my contact, now here I'm gonna click on the attachment option. Now here I'm gonna select the location option. Once you select this option, now first you have to make sure that you have also enabled the location on your mobile phone. For this you have to go to this top menu and you have to make sure that you have enabled it. After that, here you have to click on the continue. Now after that, here you have to click on the share button. Once you click on the share button, now your live location will be shared successfully to your contact. So that's how to share live location on WhatsApp.